Quail, and we are going to start our new lesson in science. Our module is Survive the Environment, and our lesson is Adaptations and Variations. In this lesson, we are going to study how animals can survive with different qualities in different environments. By the end of the lesson, we'll be able to answer our essential question: how do organisms survive in their environments? Our objective is to build the quality of argument in all our students. By looking at the evidence, they will argue with each other. They will talk about the animals, about their characteristics, which one is better than the other, everything about animals. Our vocabulary terms are adaptation, behavior, camouflage, hibernation, migrate, mimicry. Have a look at this bird. This is quail. How is this quail surviving in its environment? Look at its body. Isn't the color almost same like the branches on it which it is resting? It looks so similar to the wood. If you are going to look at this quail from a far place, you are not able to recognize that there's a bird sitting on this stem. An adaptation is a structure or behavior that helps an organism survive in its environment. Look at the picture of this frog. It lives in a pond. It needs to catch flies and other insects to eat them. But usually the insects, they are quite fast and they can jump easily. In order for its survival, the frog is having a very long and sticky tongue. So it can just push its tongue out to capture the insect. The long sticky tongue is the adaptation of the frog to survive in this environment. Frog also uses camouflage. As you can see, the skin color of the frog is green. It rests on the lotus leaves in the pond that are of the same color, green. So the other animals, they are not able to recognize the frog if it is there on the leaf or no. Camouflage helps living things to stay safe. Have you seen a polar bear? Can you see the color of the polar bear is extremely white? They blend in with the snow. It helps them in hiding from the hunters, and they can also prey on other animals as they are not able. Circle two examples in the text that show adaptation in animals. I'll share a video with you how different animals disguise and camouflage to protect themselves.
Some animals use disguise to hunt. Others use disguise to avoid being hunted. This cunning survival tool is called camouflage. Camouflage is a natural coloring or form of an animal which enables it to blend in with its surroundings. Now let's look at some of the clever ways in which animals use camouflage. Some animals have distinctive patterns which enable them to blend into their surroundings. See how well the leopard's spotted coat perfectly matches its environment. Sneaky, eh? Its beautiful disguise allows the leopard to stalk and creep behind prey without being seen. Until he runs, that is.
I, on the other hand, am a zebra. Hello, can you see me? Our striking markings are most effective when the animals gather in herds. Be honest, can you see where one zebra starts and the next one ends?
animals look very similar to their surroundings. I am an octopus. Don't even ask me how I got that name. Move it, buddy. When threatened, this octopus tucks its tentacles around its body and tries to look like a rock. And the flounder! And being completely flat and beautifully patterned enables me to lie on the seabed and avoid detection. What you're seeing here is one side of my body where I keep both my eyes. Pretty freaky, eh? You looking? Hey, what are you looking at? Unlike most creatures, the flounder has both its eyes on one side of its body. And that's the side we're looking at right now. You better believe it, baby.
By looking at the video, now you can tell me why don't all animals have the same adaptations? Write down your opinion and let me know.